Today, we're going to look at a few different tools SOLIDWORKS has to hide, show, and isolate bodies. This allows users to focus directly on the areas that they need to and not waste time looking at anything else. The first method for hiding and showing bodies is either through right-clicking on them in the graphics area or the feature tree to hide and show them. If multiple bodies are selected, with one being hidden and one being shown, you will notice that there will be a show component and hide component so that you can quickly filter between the two. Another way to hide and show components is with our tab shortcut. We can simply hover our mouse over a component and push tab to hide it. If you hold shift and tab, this will bring the components back. If you have hidden a few things and upon returning them to the space, if you think that you are missing something, holding Control Shift and then pressing and holding Tab will show us everything that is hidden so that way we can confirm that we didn't leave anything behind. The next way we have to display bodies is through our Feature Flyout menu. That is the menu over here. If we give it a left click, it pulls out the flyout menu where we can come in and tell SOLIDWORKS to hide bodies, make them transparent, change the color on them, apply a appearance to them. But here is another way to quickly come in and hide and show things using our feature flyout menu. A lot of these are items that will save into your display states. Finally, we have the ability to isolate bodies. If I wanted to see a couple bodies here, we can select them and choose to isolate these two bodies where they are. Now we can save these as a display state. And when we have a display state, it's easy to flip back and forth between them. Yes, we can definitely go through our configuration tab and jump back and forth between our display states, or we can now right-click on our display manager and quickly filter between the display states that we need, so that way we can focus on exactly what we want at the right times. Jump into your SOLIDWORKS today and see how you can hide and show components and isolate bodies to manipulate the screen and display the data that you need.